Hello guys, in this video, we will explain how to solve the problem of repeated pressing or repeated clicking on your phone screen in a simple way without any programs, only from your phone settings. But before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who supports me and everyone who subscribed to his channel. Now let's go to the first explanation. We do it, which is going to the settings. An important note: if you find your phone's settings other than the settings, it's okay. I will explain at the end of the video an important shortcut to solve the problem. We go to the settings, then click on the accessibility feature, then click on the accessibility. After that, we will find the click settings. Here in this option, we activate it and ignore the repeated click so that the problem is not solved. You have to activate this option to ignore the repeated click and consider it a single click, and thus the problem will be solved with you. No inquiries before I forget to reach this interface without you having your phone settings other than its settings. You go out, then go to the settings, then in the settings search engine, type the click settings, and you will find the same interface and activate this option from here. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video.